1999 Jeep Cherokee SE two-door rear-wheel drive here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on it. Underneath the hood, 4-liter inline 6-cylinder that has been bored and stroked to a 4.6-liter with less than 20,000 miles on the rebuild. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the front grille, bumper. Now, as far as the hood, I'm going to call this a custom heat extractor hood. How does that sound? Paint does show its age a little bit on it. There's a spot where it's been touched up or maybe a chip here or there. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside. This vehicle spent the majority of its life in Florida. It was actually used for transportation at a group home. And as you can see, the lower rockers around those wheel flares and the underside, solid. Take a look at those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on the correct Jeep wheels, Hankook radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Now you can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. It's just the paint. Shows its age a little bit. Interior, nice shape. It's a gray cloth bucket seat, center console, some aftermarket gauges, aftermarket Jensen stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in a bit. Stereo is working. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see around that rear wheel well, lower rockers looking solid. In the still pictures, look at the bottoms of the tailgate, or I should say the bottom of the tailgate, and then the bottoms of each side door. Also very solid, not rusted out, corroded, anything like that. Those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 70% or better at all four corners. Parking brakes are not. There's a small star in the windshield that has been filled. I'll kind of point that out when we get to the interior of the vehicle. Underside, said there's a little bit of seepage on the drivetrain. It's what to be expected with a car that's got a few miles on it. That's actually driven, nothing out of the ordinary. It does have a header, single exhaust, of course, with the inline 6-cylinder, and catalytic converter is in place. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Jeeps, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. At Unique Classic Cars, the videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. There you can see a little bit of a dinger in that driver's door I wanted to point out. But again, those lower rockers around the wheel wells, very solid. And like I said, underside picks. Take a look at them. All right, modern amenities as far as your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, door sills, should say door panels and door sills, both look good. As far as seat, cloth and fabric, looking good on that. May have been recovered. It's in very nice shape. This will come with an SCT tuner. I will leave that in the vehicle too. It came along with it. Tilt column. Let's check out these aftermarket gauges so I can point these out a little bit. So oil pressure, water temp, and an air to fuel ratio gauge. That Jensen aftermarket stereo. Let's fire this thing up. Now, when I do start it, okay, first of all, radio's working. You can hear that. On some of these, it may look like they're flashing. That's due to the phase of the camera. They are not flashing when you're sitting here in person. Let's fire it up. There's your actual miles, 306, 245. Oil pressure gauge, and then that water temp. Very good throttle response on this thing. Definitely sounds like a strong runner. Headliner also looking good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. Door closes nicely. A healthy exhaust note. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood propped open. We'll check out that engine bay and then stick around to the very end of the video. Like usual, Jason will take you for a drive, take you for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. There's the underside of the hood. As you can see, vented. Cold air intake. 4.6 liter that has been bored and stroked to a 4.6 liter. So 4 liter bored and stroked to a 4.6 liter. Make sure I get that right. Under 20,000 miles since that was done. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. $19.99 Jeep Cherokee SE 2-door rear-wheel drive. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Jeep Cherokee with a few mods. So you can tell she's tweaked a little bit. You got some more power when you push the throttle. Now this is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. We have an air extractor hood. We have a air fuel ratio gauge right on top of the dash. I don't know if you heard that, but the inside tire broke loose right there when I throttled it. Definitely snappy. The oil pressure gauge up here is showing 11. Now I'm not sure what that stands for because we've got 45 over here. Water temp down here, 198. And on the factory gauge, right around 200. Which we'll call the same. The fuel gauge is just under half. The volts are at 14. And the tach and speedometer are working as they should. We have a Jensen stereo in the dash. Let's find a station. That is working as well. The wipers work, the blower motor works. We have power windows and very comfortable cloth bucket seats. Brakes are nice and smooth and effective. I actually like the sound of this. You know, for a straight 6, they have a distinct sound, a little different than a V8. And this one, paired with the exhaust system it has, sounds pretty good. Corners as you'd expect for a Cherokee. And there it is. This little Jeep likes to accelerate, and it's a fun vehicle to drive. I'm seeing a custom headliner. That looks good as well. At least it sure appears custom to me. And it is in very good condition. Take a look at all the pictures of this Jeep at UniqueClassicCars.com.